Artists sometimes use different shapes. We're going to make some different shapes with our body now. William, would you like to come and join me? Oh, you're very excited today. Let's practice some of these shapes. Can everyone make a big star shape? That's it. What about a straight line? Feet together, arms up. Great. And a little ball. Wonderful. And now a triangle. Feet out, and we're going to hold our ankles. And then a big rainbow all the way up and over to the other side. And a rainbow up and over. Wonderful. All right, dancers, feet together. Let's start with our hands on our hips. And let's get ready for the music. Okay, ready? Start. Straight line. Ball. And triangle. Ball. Star. Straight line. And star. Let's do the rainbow all the way up and over. Draw a rainbow with your fingers and over and again. Big rainbow all the way and back. Great rainbows. Can we go to a ball? Triangle. Straight line and star. Straight line and star and ball and triangle. Ready for those rainbows again? Rainbow up and over. Rainbow. Draw a rainbow with your fingers. Big rainbow wheel. And ball. And star. Great. Thank you for joining me, William. Bye-bye now.